This is a Windows XP. Now I having a problem, printing problem. Printing problem is okay. Let's take a look. What is the error message? The error message is offline printing. Okay, and I try to print online. This old type Panasonic printer. Okay, it's a KXP1131. It's using Parallel Centronics interface. Okay, I try many methods. System restore. Okay, install the driver. Also cannot solve the problem. So what I'm going to do now is, okay, I try to use this. Now I'm going to using this converter USB to parallel. Okay, let's go. I connect this USB converter to this printer first. The other end connect to USB port. Okay, now take a look on this device manager. Okay, and from here USB port, this is the one, USB printing support. Okay, now it's detected. Okay, now we try to do test print. File print. Okay, the printer is here. Okay, so but we have to set the printer port. Okay, look for this printer and fax. Okay, and this is the one, Panasonic KSP 1131. Okay, right click and we go to the property and take a look, and here is the port we want to do setting. Okay, right now it's LPT 1. Okay, now we are not sure that which port we are going to use. We got 1, 2, 3. Now we try one first. Okay, now we apply. Okay, apply. Okay, then file print. Cannot. Okay, now we change the second port again because we are not sure which port is connected. So go same thing, go to property and go to the port, and now we change to USB 002 and C. Okay, now apply again. Okay, then test print again. Print. Okay, print. Still cannot. Okay, what happened? Okay, take a look here. Now we got two error messages here. Okay, now we delete. Cancel. Yes. Okay, we'll leave it here. Okay, error printing. Okay, we did it as well. Yes. Now we change the port to USB 3. Okay, hopefully that now it worked. USB 3. Okay, then apply. Okay, now go to file and print. Yes, now it works. Okay, means that this USB to parallel port is connected to USB 3. Okay, thank you.